Previously recorded. They got cabbages, 55 cents a pound, so I'm about to get a little cabbage. That's what I'm gonna be cooking today. And go back here. Get got back here. I got a probably didn't mess with it. I said I was gonna get one cabbage, but I ended up getting two little ones. So we're gonna go on and get the rest of our stuff. Let's check the onions out, see how much the onions is today. Alright y'all, the onions is $2.89 for a 3-pound bag. So I'm gonna get one of those. Let me get this one here. Alright, right here they got some sweet potatoes and they is 99 cents a pound. So I'm gonna get probably about 2 or 3 of those. These 3 is 3 pounds. Alright, y'all, so they got hot dog bacon for $3.05, so I'm gonna get me about, I guess just about one pack of that. They gonna pay for $2.87, so I'm gonna just grab this one. Okay, y'all, in this store they have rabbit and they used to have some goat meat, but they ain't got none today. On the ham to go on sale so I can start buying my Thanksgiving stuff, y'all. That's a good deal for this one, little 13. It ain't that bad, yeah. But they still high, y'all. Here's another popular sausage in our area. I never tried them before, but these is called some registered sausages, y'all. In this grocery store, they got the white acre peas and margaret homes, the purple whole season peas, the black eyed peas, the yellow squash, pinto beans, the lima beans. The lima beans is $1.59 compared to and the Dollar Tree for $1. So we got a good deal on that. They got rutabaga, snap beans, okra, tomatoes and okra. Margaret Home got it going on, y'all. If you don't know how to cook dumplings, they got some pre-made dumplings too, y'all. $1.59 for that box of dumplings. And I never used these before, but that's what they look like. I'm standing up here at checkout, and they got Miller pecan halves for $7.29. Alrighty, y'all, so now we in Walmart. We gotta come and get a few things out of here, just in and out, and I'm gonna be through with shopping for my Sunday dinner. Yeah, I gotta come and get some cheese, milk. I might get some noodles, I don't know. And get me some more Outshine bars, and that's about it. It's like $19.73 for 24 pack. I don't need no eggs or nothing, but I am gonna get some more milk. And I like this lactose-free milk, y'all. It do work for me. $2.87 for that milk right here. And look at the shelf life on it, y'all. It lasts a long time. Get 2 more cans of the crescent rolls, the 148. Look, y'all, look like they don't change the can fat to the fat cans instead of the little skinny cans. I wonder if they did that so they can go up on the price. So they wasn't no 148. I'm gonna get some of these right here because I got a recipe coming up for y'all. These are $2.20. Some of these chips here. $2.20 for 4 cans. Not bad. I'm gonna get another tub of my butter that I like to use. This butter is $2.20 for the imperial butter. I like that butter, y'all. Some people talk about margarine, but margarine is my thing. Alright, so I need some Kobe Jack cheese, and the cheese is $2.20 for the 2-cup bags, 8-ounce bags. So I'm going to get the big bag, which is the 2-pound bag, and it is $5.34. That right there. I'm gonna get a bag of this sharp cheddar as well. It's $2.77 for the 1-pound bag. So I'm gonna just get that. Then it's a couple cent more for this one here. That's the 4 cups. no sliced cheese for the house, so I'm just going to grab some of this cheese right here. 24 American singles for $1.88, and I need some cheese for sandwiches. I'm looking for the Kobe. Here we go. $1.84 for 12. So I'm gonna get that as well. I'm looking for me some chips for nachos. Y'all know I've been on my nacho taco kick, so I was looking for the container style, but I don't see them. I see the restaurant style. This is the ones I used to do, but I'm hooked on the container. I think that's how you say it, style chips. Don't look like they got none though, so we're gonna move on to the next dish, I guess. I mean, y'all, they ain't got no tortilla chips, none of that. I might just end up getting some Doritos or something. $3.28 for those right there. I mean, they ain't got nothing. Nothing, y'all. I guess I'm just gonna get 2 of these restaurant styles for $1.88. I ain't used these in a while because I got so used to those other ones, y'all. But I need me some chips at the house, y'all, because I've been making too many nachos and I have it. Moving right along. Miss Willow, I know you probably don't eat hot stuff, but if you do, look what they got. Some white cheddar flaming hot popcorn, girl. I could have got the name brand chips, but y'all, these chips is too goddamn gonna hot for me, honey. Stay within your pocket size. As much as I have been frying french fries and stuff like that, I need to get me some cooking grease, y'all. So the cooking oil is $5.98. That right there. They ain't even got no little ones. What's going on? They ain't got nothing in here. I mean, nothing. What's going on? What am I missing? Did somebody cook for, did they cook for a Super Bowl game or something, y'all? What I'm doing? Look, y'all know I only want to talk about Super Bowl. $6.58, $5.98. So I guess we're gonna go with the $5.98, y'all. I ain't bought no bacon in a while, so ooh, child, $3.47 for the bacon. So I'm gonna get, I like the thick slice of bacon, so I'm gonna get me 2 packs of that right there. I ain't cooking no breakfast, y'all, because I ain't been having no breakfast stuff, and I think I'm gonna give me a box of sausages. $3.47 for the Andes. I like the Andes sausage, y'all. So I'm gonna get some of these here. Right there. Just in case we decide to make some sandwiches during the week, I got some Nature's Own Butter bread for $2.78, y'all. It's some good bread. Let's go. Just in case I decide to make some hamburgers, I got some ballpark hamburger buns for $2.28. Get 8 in a pack. So I'm gonna get those right there. That way I have them on hand whenever I decide to make some burgers. Let's try these rigatoni noodles for some macaroni. Y'all know I tell y'all noodles and noodles, but I'm gonna just try those. Alright, this is the nacho cheese that I buy when I make my tacos, and cheese dip is $1.98 for the Rico's Gourmet, and I'm gonna get about 2 of these right there just to have them on hand. I'm just gonna grab some Parmesan cheese just to have some on hand whenever I decide to use it, and I have it. So I'm gonna get that Best Buy November 3rd. I never use Velveeta cheese to make my macaroni and cheese, but we're gonna give it a try today. And it's $4.14. This is a Walmart brand though, y'all. Right there. Okay, y'all, if you're gonna make tacos, you need you some taco sauce. So I'm going to grab some of this mild, thick, and chunky for $1.23. No, that's picante. I want the thick and This is it right here. The thick and chunky salsa right there. I wanted me some fish, y'all, but I don't see the swai that I like. So I'm gonna grab a bag of salmon. That way I decide to make some salmon. That right there. And I don't want no tilapia. So I guess I'll wait on my fish. I didn't want to wait because I wanted to fry a piece of fish today, which I might still do. I might do grab a bag of salmon, y'all. I mean, tilapia. But anyway, some shrimp. We ain't gonna get no shrimp today. I do want some, but I ain't gonna get it today. We did the 2-pound bag of tilapia go up to $7.64, y'all. Please let me know, honey. I'm good. I am so good with tilapia. French fries is definitely stocked up, y'all. Look at that. Do I need some fries? We might need a bag or two. Let me get some of these hash browns right here, y'all, for breakfast. Right there. Right there, right there. For $1.68. I got to have me some fish, and the guy, he went back down, he found me some of my fish, y'all. I got my bag of swai fillets. Alright, y'all, so I'm grabbing a couple of cans of this sweetened, not sweetened, but at least evaporated milk right there. I'm gonna grab about 6 cans. And they is 60 cents, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna grab me another bag of cornmeal right there. I don't know the price of it, but it's probably about $2 and something. So I'm gonna grab a bag of that. Put that in my baggie. And then I'm gonna grab a bag of sugar. I thought I was gonna grab a bag of sugar, but I'm gonna hold out on the sugar for a minute. Probably sure my husband probably got enough. The reason why I say that is because they ain't got the big bag like I want, y'all. Look at that. All gone. They only got the little bags. Maybe I'll just grab a little bag just to restock up what I already got. How about that? So we're gonna grab the sugar. Alright, family, so the last thing we're gonna grab is a couple boxes of these Outshine bars. So they got the one for $6.78 with a tangerine, raspberry, and strawberry. And you get 12 for $6.78. But that's enough sugar added one. I don't want that, baby. Give me some sugar. They got the coconut, creamy coconut, pineapple. I do want the strawberry, so I'm gonna get that. $3.88 for that box. I'm going to try the watermelon. $3.88 for that box. I'm gonna grab some cones. These is $4.98 for the 8 cones. Goodness, $4.98. So I'm gonna do that. Grandma love banana pops, so I'm gonna grab her a big bag of these. I know she love these, y'all. So I'm gonna get her these. And this is it, y'all. I'll see y'all back at the house. Y'all stay tuned for the grocery haul.